Xiaomi is gearing up to launch the Xiaomi 15 flagship smartphone lineup soon. While the Xiaomi 15 series is set to debut in China on October 23rd, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra variant is rumored to appear separately next year. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra, which is expected to be released in China, Europe, and India. Now, a new leak may have given us our first look at the phone's design. As you can see, the camera island on the back of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra looks quite similar to the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, but there's a slight difference in terms of lens arrangement. You can see the rumored 1-inch main camera, the same as in the 14 Ultra. It's expected to be a 50MP Sony LYT900 sensor, a 50MP Sony IMX858 ultra-wide camera, 50MP telephoto featuring a 75mm focal length, and 200MP Samsung ISOCELL HP9 periscope telephoto camera, has now received EEC certification. Xiaomi 15 Ultra to come in variants with a fake leather back, a glass back, and a ceramic back. These phones to come with the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. A recent leak revealed that the device will feature a dual-layer OLED panel with a 2K resolution. It will have an ultrasonic on-screen fingerprint sensor for security, is expected to ship with up to 24GB of RAM, and run on Android 15 based on HyperOS 2.0 custom skin out of the box. There is a possibility that it may feature a massive 6200 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.